It's Treasure for Mystie, and today we are going to dig into the surprise bucket. I have a variety pack of little mochi squishies and the traditional squishies, and I've mixed them all up, and I do have one large surprise squishy that we're going to pull out right at the end. But to start with, we're going to pull out 5 of the little ones. We're going to take a look at them and just get started right away. Just going to reach in. I can't see what I'm grabbing for here. So the first one, it kind of looks like a little piggy, but it could be a piggy or a bear. His face is kind of flat. It's a little piggy. It's got it's very open on the bottom. It looks like he's wearing something. An apron, maybe? Oh my gosh, you can see his little pig butt. His head's not attached very well. I'm gonna put him right here. He's gonna keep us company. Next we have, whatever this is. It's green. It has ears and almost human kind of eyes. This is a traditional squishy. Feels like one of the slow rising ones.
I don't know what is happening with this guy.
I'm not sure exactly what it's supposed to be. Some kind of cat or kiwi or something. I am not sure. And it has a thing at the top here for a little keychain. So the package these came in actually did include some of these little lanyards, these little keychain lanyards. I'm not sure if this part's supposed to clip in and it's supposed to work like a phone charm. So let's put that on there and see how it looks. Our weird little kiwi cat guy. There, yeah, I think that's right. And then you might have to take it off to loop it through. Interesting green guy. It is very soft and it smells really nice. It's got that sweet sort of scented squishy smell. And it's very soft. To hang out by the little half naked piggy. Next we have a cat bread slipper, I believe. I feel like for things like this, there is a sort of evolution of squishy ideas. Because you have bread, you have cats that are bread, and this appears to be a cat that is also bread, that is also a slipper. My biggest complaint with this one is this shiny spot on the face kind of makes it look like the face itself is just sort of a sticker that was stuck on. But just like the weird green guy, it is very soft, it is very squishy, and it also has this little loop here that we can put the lanyard onto. And now you can have a cat bread slipper on your phone or tablet or whatever it is that you put one of these guys on. The next one I picked up does look like another mochi. This one's pretty easy to see. It's just like a white seal. I'm gonna take him out of the package and see what he feels like. So just like the piggy, he's very squishy, very jello-like. Ooh, look at how stretchy he is. Whoop. Look at that. Before, after. That's like when I go to the Chinese buffet. Before, after. Or for him, seals do eat penguins. So maybe he had too many penguins and he just went bloop. He can hang out here with the cat bread slipper. The last one of these little guys I pulled out is just like a little creamsicle. I would imagine it's a strawberry based on the color. These little sprinkles, I don't know if you saw that, but these little sprinkles are already coming off. So those need to be probably put on a little bit better. Maybe put some fabric glue or something, because it, just like with the slipper, it kind of looks like there was just a sticker slapped on top of this. And they're not soft, and they do keep coming off. So this, I don't know how much I would like to really squeeze this, because those sprinkles are kind of hard. They feel like they're made out of just like plastic. And there you go. It is time for the big surprise squishy. Are you ready? So this guy's pretty simple. It's just looks like it's just a big round panda. It's really not fancy. It's just a really hardy, oh, that's cute. The little loop kind of makes it look like a little tail, tiny little tail. But it's a really good size just to really crush it. And it's super soft, super slow rising. Nothing pokey or tough on there. Now the same with the other ones, it's got this shiny spot, almost like the face is just a sticker. And I'm not sure how I would go about fixing that. I know that there are other YouTubers who repaint their squishies all the time, so if you guys have suggestions or ideas about how to just sort of clean this up, it could stay a panda, it could be something else, leave it in the comments. I would be interested in hearing what you have to say. Now remember, if you are a member on Patreon, you do get one of these guys at least once a month. So don't forget, go to patreon.com/treasure for Mystie. That's treasure, the word for, FOR, Mystie. And I'll see you next time.